What's up, guys? My name's Anthony, and you're tuned into Crypto Ride. In case you haven't heard, Tron's taken another step towards decentralizing the net. Goseedit allows people to send TRX to any Twitter user instantly. In this video, we'll go over how to send and receive your crypto tips, and why I think this is a big step, or really an important step, towards the mass adoption of cryptocurrency. Before we begin, I want to ask you to hit that like button and join our community by subscribing to the channel. But here we go, let's get into Goseedit. First things first, you're going to want to go to the Goseedit website, which is goseedit.io. But what you're really going to need to do to get started, if you want to send a tip to someone else, or just see how many tips you've received, is open your wallet, and you're going to log in with Twitter. Authorize the app. There it is. That's my Twitter account, CRAnthony3. And you can see how many tips I've sent, received, and it gives you the balances of what I have in my account. So right now you see I have 43.85 TRX, but there are two ways. If you're using this for the first time and you want to get money into your wallet, you can use this Changely, and you can buy or sell with your credit card, okay? But if you already hold TRX, then you can just send money here. And I actually tested this out, and that's how I got my money in, was that I went on Binance and just copied my public key or my address, which is that right there. You just highlight that, copy it, put it in Binance, send the money here like any other crypto transaction, and then after a few minutes, you'll see everything. But it's pretty straightforward, and I want to show you how I've been using this with my Twitter account. Check this out. I wanted to experiment with this because as soon as I heard about the technology, I figured it was something I'd want to make a video about. I created this tweet here, and it says, "Hey guys, I just set up my Goseedit wallet. Anyone want to practice sending crypto tips?" And I basically said, just write Tron, please. I'll send you some, and then you could send it back to me or not. So the reason I did this was to get people in the crypto community familiar with Goseedit. I talked about in my intro how I think this is a step towards mass adoption. One of my philosophies about crypto is that we need to bring it to the general public on a medium that they're already using. So I think Goseedit enabling Tron transactions on Twitter is a big deal because there are so many Twitter users. We, as a crypto community, have to learn how to use this thing. But really, all you do, send a tweet directly to the person you want to send it to. So this guy, Von Hammond. All you do is you hit plus the amount you want to send. So I'm going to give this guy 2 Tron. And then you do @Goseedit. So @Goseedit. All right. And I'm just going to say boom. Now I'm going to hit reply. And that's it. Okay. And as you go back to my Goseedit wallet, you can see I've now sent 19 tips. You can see I've sent more, and there is a ledger of all the transactions on the bottom where it says recent activity, and there it is, Von Hammond. Now, if you choose to send crypto or TRX to someone, like some people have been sending them to celebrities, but say you just want to send it to a friend for whatever reason, there are 2 documents, and I'll thank J314 here for sharing them with me, and I'm going to link these up in the description of the video. But the first one is this one. It says, "Congratulations, you've just received some TRX crypto. Now what?" And it kind of explains some of the basics to a crypto noob or someone who's not even a noob. Then there's this one, which I'm also going to link up in the descriptions, which just talks about how to set up Goseedit on Twitter. And these are really good resources. I think this is a really smart move on Tron's part, and I think we're going to start to see more use of this over time, which brings me to my final point. A lot of people in the cryptocurrency space are just buying and hodling, or buying and shorting and day trading these cryptos. But at a certain point, people need to start using these cryptocurrencies for what they are. In the case of TRX here, it could be a system to tip people on social media. Okay, to reward the people tweeting things you like or making content that you appreciate, whether it be video or music, right? Just think about it like this. Next time you see, let's say, someone make a link to a music video they made or something, send them 5 TRX. Maybe they know what it is, maybe they don't. But if they don't know, now they know. Not to quote Biggie, but I think we need to get this in the hands of new users. All right, so that's it for this one. I just want to thank you for watching. Make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel so we can stay in touch, and I'll bring you the content that I think's relevant as it comes up. All right, so I'll catch you guys next time on Crypto Ride.